Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your total profit in the Robinhood app, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to check your total profit on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on Investing, then select Portfolio. This is where you can see an overview of all your investments. At the top of your portfolio screen, you'll see your total portfolio value. Just below that, you'll see your total gain or loss displayed as both a dollar amount and a percentage. This shows how much profit or loss you have overall. If you want more detail, scroll down to see individual stocks or investments. Tapping on any one of them will show you that asset's specific gain or loss. You can also change the time range like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or all time to see how your profit changes over different periods. And that's it. That's how you check your total profit in the Robinhood app. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Robinhood and investing tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.